Welcome everyone. Today we will paint an ant and color it. Draw a simple pattern with a black mark pen. Start with a spiral shell. A curved upward body. Slender tentacles with cute eyes. A laughing mouth. And a blade of grass on the shell of a snail. Then draw the grass. Full of flowers. There was a cloud in the air. Finally, add texture to the shell. The simple picture is done now. Let's start to describe. That's really great. Now let's start coloring. Pink. Red. Sky blue. Yellow. Orange. Light green. Blue. Rose. Yellow. Blue. Orange. Light green. Rose. Green. Blue. Red. Purple. Yellow. Sunny yellow. Grass green. Green. Sunny yellow. Light green. Yellow. Our work has been completed. It is very beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.